Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today is the day to celebrate the joy of Carnival with lots of art in your hands. Let's dive together into the vibrant tones of oil pastels to create a Baiana full of life, movement, and tradition. If you like today's theme, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Get your materials ready. Let your imagination run wild and let's transform this paper into pure carnival energy. Before we start, I'll put the materials and colors used on the screen and in the video description. The sketch of the drawing is ready for you to download. The link is in the description. I start by outlining the outline of the drawing with colored pencils so as not to lose the outline. Please note that I use a colored pencil that is as close as possible to the color of the pastel chalk that I will use in the painting. Very important tip. Always clean the pastel chalk before applying it to the paper. The parts that I want white, such as the teeth and the coconut pulp, I put a mask made of masking tape. I also use this to cover the earrings. Let's make the background of the painting. For this I chose 2 shades of blue. I put the darker blue on the edges of the paper and the lighter blue in the center. To even out the colors, you can use a piece of paper, a cloth, a cotton swab, or even your finger. If the pastel chalk is too dry, use a little baby oil. This helps a lot. Now let's move on to the fruits. Always use more than 1 shade of the same color to give the sensation of light and shadow. Right now, I'm using pentel chalk, which is drier. In the white bowl on the side, there's baby oil to help me. In very small areas, you can use a smudge stick or brush to help spread the chalk. Use a clean paper towel to support your hand. This way you won't stain the paint. Before painting the coconut pulp, remember to remove the masking tape. In the turban area, place the darker colors near the folds and the lighter colors in the center of the stripes. Here the camera turned off and I only realized it later. Again on the skin, I used more than 1 tone of the same color and placed the darker tones in the folds to create the shadows. Did you see that I divided the face in half? That's because I want to apply a darker tone to the part that is furthest from the light source. Let's remove the mask from the earrings. Only remove the mask from the teeth after the mouth is finished. Use the colored pencil in the same tone as the pastel chalk to adjust the paint lines and also for small shading areas. You can use white acrylic paint or a white pen or even white chalk to highlight areas of shine. That's it. Our Baiana is ready. If this tutorial inspired you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss the next videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. To fix the work, apply the fixative spray. Until next time, and remember, art is a party, it is culture, and culture is life. Thank you for watching the video until the end.